Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for construction businesses. First, ensure your QuickBooks is set up with a chart of accounts tailored for contractors, including specific income and expense categories. This foundational step is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Next, learn to effectively track all income and expenses directly to individual jobs. This allows you to see exactly how profitable each project is, helping you make smarter business decisions. Mastering job costing is essential for construction success. Begin by creating detailed estimates within QuickBooks, then seamlessly convert these into professional invoices for your clients. This saves time and reduces errors. Crucially, assign every cost, from materials and equipment rentals to labor hours, directly to its corresponding job. This meticulous tracking allows you to continuously monitor project progress and compare your actual spending against the initial budget, ensuring you stay on track. Managing your subcontractors and vendors effectively is key to smooth operations. QuickBooks helps you manage all vendor bills, allowing you to schedule payments and avoid late fees. It's also vital for tracking all payments made to your subcontractors, simplifying Form 1099 generation at tax time. Don't forget to regularly reconcile your bank and credit card accounts. This ensures all transactions are accurately recorded and helps catch discrepancies quickly, maintaining financial integrity. Finally, leverage QuickBooks' powerful reporting features to gain deep insights into your construction business. Generate profit and loss reports by individual job to understand which projects are most lucrative and where improvements can be made. Analyzing your cash flow is also critical for managing daily operations and planning for future growth. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. This comprehensive approach helps you make informed decisions and drive your business forward.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.